Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am unboxing my third Trunk Club box. Third or fourth. But I do have you a little bit further away today just so that you could see what I was doing, because I felt like the other times I tried to film it, the camera was so close that it's hard to see the box in here. So hopefully this is a little bit better. If you are new to Trunk Club, I have a $50 off referral code down in my description box that you can use towards an item, clothing, and to cover that styling fee if you are interested in trying out Trunk Club. And if you are brand new to this channel, I upload fashion and lifestyle content every Monday and Friday. So if you're interested in seeing more from me, don't forget to subscribe and then hit that notification bell as well if you want to be reminded when I share with you. Yeah, I feel like you can actually see what I'm doing now. There we go. Yeah. I think I am gonna keep this down here. It's just easier that way. Okay, so here is my envelope. It has all the prices of everything that we got in our box. So this round I got 10 items. And I did have the opportunity to add some things into my trunk, but I didn't do it because I didn't really see anything that I was really interested in putting into my trunk. This is from French Connection, and I believe this is a dress. My stylist said that she sized up in it because French Connection tends to run a little bit small. I thought at first it was going to be like a really nice stretchy fabric, but it's not. It does have smock material, but the material in itself is not stretchy, but it's extremely soft. Yeah, so it has a slit in the front, puff sleeves. I believe it's a square neck. Yeah, and it looks like it goes pretty deep in the back, which I love stuff like that. So let's see. The size 12 French Connection midi dress, and this is $168. It is a little bit more expensive than I was thinking. I am going to go try this on and see if that price is going to be worth it for me. I'm so glad that my stylist decided to size up with this because it's a perfect fit. I feel like if I had gotten a size smaller than this, it would not have fit right. It's a timeless piece. I think I could wear this with a lot of stuff. I really like how high this slit goes up, but it's still very comfortable. I am all about comfortable fashion, and I could see this being like a go-to dress for me. Oh, okay, so I'm actually really excited about these because these look like they are the exact shorts, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to buy these if they fit, because I've kind of been back and forth with shorts recently. I've been really wanting the longer, loose, kind of like retro looking shorts. And these are exactly what I was hoping to get. These are from BDG Urban Outfitters. They're the mom high waist shorts in 31, and these are $49. I think that's very reasonable. They feel like really nice quality. Yeah, I really hope that these fit. So I'm gonna go try these on. I think I'm gonna end up really liking these. This size is just a little bit too snug for me. Looks like it fits nicely, but I would definitely be more comfortable in a size 32. It's definitely what I'm going for as far as style. I just have got to figure out the right fit. I asked for another hat. Thanks. This did get a little bit smushed. So this is from Brixton, and I loved this pale pink color. It has like the leather around the crown, and it's definitely a little bit more vintage looking, which I really like that. Size medium. It's called the Phoebe hat. Immediately makes me think of Friends. This is $89. Should ask if I can get a discount now that it's all beat up there. I don't think that they would actually do that. I love the brand Brixton. They make very nice quality hats, and this pale pink color I thought would look really pretty with just a lot of things that I have in my closet. I think this is a shirt. Oh, this feels really nice. So it's like an off-the-shoulder puff sleeves smock top. This is a lot longer than I was thinking it was going to be, but it looks like it'll be a really nice fit. This is a size medium. It's from the brand Waif, and it's the smocked off-the-shoulder top in pink. This is $89. That is quite expensive, but I mean, I can understand that price just by feeling the fabric. It does feel like it is very expensive. And actually, this would look really cute with that pink hat. The shirt was just a little bit longer, so I tucked it into my jeans. I think it looks amazing with these jeans. If you have a curvy shape similar to mine and you have the most difficult time fitting into jeans and pants, 100% recommend the American Eagle curvy line. They are the ones that have been able to nail the pants for me. Anyway, back to the shirt. I really like the fit, the color. I think I could actually get away with wearing this towards the fall season too, at least a little bit into the beginning of it. So, and I actually might stick to this size, but I do think I could have gotten away with a smaller size. Wow, I really like this material. This is a dress from Waif again. It's very florally. And this is a size medium. Ooh. Is that gonna fit me? This dress is $128. That is expensive, but I did up my price range for dresses just because I'm into trying new things. So let's go see. So I was actually able to fit into this quite nicely. There's a couple things about this one. I feel like the material kind of lifts up. Like it doesn't lay quite right. I think my favorite thing about this one is how low the back went. Very romantic and feminine. So I really like how it just kind of like falls off like that. The sleeves kind of just are a little bit too low for my taste. Like I would like if they were up like just like that, just so it looked a little bit more natural, but they kind of like fall down really low. Otherwise, I really like it. These are a pair of linen pants from Reformation. So I have a pair of high-waisted linen pants that a lot of you keep on asking about, and I wanted to find a pair that would be similar to those. Now these are a lot more expensive than the ones that I have. This feels so soft. This is very high quality linen. So these are the cello wide leg linen pants from Reformation in size 10, and these are $158. I was expecting that price tag because we're talking about Reformation right now. I have always wanted to try their dresses though, so I don't know, but I'm gonna go try these on. I was so hoping that these would end up fitting me right, but it is always my hips. They always get me. Like I just have a very curvy hip area, and it's very hard to find stuff that fits right. So I was a little bit disappointed with that, and then once again, I feel like the length isn't quite long enough. There's just certain styles of pants that I cannot pull off, and I feel like when it comes to wide leg stuff, it has to be made right or like exactly tailored to me to look right. The quality is there. I knew it was going to be. They're very comfortable. This is not itchy at all. So if you are looking for a pair of linen pants, I would highly recommend these. I think that these are definitely worth the price tag if you can get them to fit you right. So soft. Oh, this is from Waif again. Wow. I really like their material. This is the Bianca puff sleeve top in the pastel floral eyelet style, and this is $79. This is in the size medium. Only thing is that it comes with a little snap button, and I am not a fan of those. So I don't know about this one, but I'm gonna go try it on and see. I think it's actually a perfect fit. This little clasp button right here isn't bothering me as much as I thought it would, but I definitely would prefer it to not be on the shirt. Just like a nice, fun, summery shirt, and I really like it. I'm really liking this brand. I'm really glad that they included it into this box because I feel like their stuff is definitely my type of style, so I really like that. A couple more things left. What is this? How adorable is this? That's a lot smaller than I was thinking it was going to be though. So this is like a little purse, but oh my goodness, it is adorable. This is something I would have picked out when I was little playing dress up. Very soft and very good quality. Like, this just feels very luxurious. Yeah, this is the Daisy Cage shoulder bag from Topshop, and this is $65. I actually really like it. I don't know, I might keep this. I think this whole box is very well planned out. Like, it's definitely a theme that I'm getting here. I'm getting a lot of dusty pink and florals. It's a very romantic box. So the last two things in this box are 2 pairs of shoes, which I'm really excited about because I need more dressy shoes, and both of these looked really cute. So this is just a simple white sandal. This is from Marc Fisher. It's very strappy. I really like that. I feel like it goes along with the whole feminine theme. It's very summery too. The only thing I'd be worried about is getting these very dirty. These are the Marc Fisher strappy sandals in size 10, and these are $90. I do need more sandals, but I do have that pair of LULUS heels that I wear all the time, and I feel like I would tear these apart, so I don't know. We'll see. The last pair of shoes are going to be very colorful. Hint, hint. Yes! I'm definitely into the color right now, but these are the Vince Camuto. These are $69.30. But I really like how thin the heels are, but they're still a little bit thicker on the top. Ankle straps are always flattering, and these just feel really nice. So I actually might be tempted to keep these, but I'm gonna let you know for sure what I decide to keep, as always, in the comments. I feel like I should know about this brand too, but I don't. That's why Nordstrom Trunk Club is good for me, because I get introduced to brands I never heard of. So once again, I really enjoyed this box. I have not had a horrible box from Trunk Club as of yet. And so far, I feel like they have done an amazing job of giving me what I request. They're pretty good about it, and they seem to have things in stock. The one thing with Trunk Club that I'm noticing is that when I go through to check through the trunk and just like approve items that they send, they don't, so far, like, I don't feel like they go back and read the message that I send them, or at least they see it too late or something, because this is the second time that that's happened. But other than that, I really like the stuff that they send me. I think they're very close at guessing my style, and I really appreciate that. It's going to be a challenge to decide what I'm going to keep again, which is a good and bad thing. Let me know your thoughts on this box. And if you have tried Trunk Club out, let me know what you got. Did you enjoy it? What was your experience? I'd love to know. But that is everything for this video, and I'm going to see you very soon in a special video coming up that I cannot wait to share with you guys. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.